What's up, y'all? It's John with Superfly here to talk about Josephine, and we're on version number 5 here with updates. Biggest thing about this release is that it is Visual Builder compatible. So now you can build on the front end or use the Visual Builder and it'll work great. It's been a big joy to work with. Other updates include the button styling is now consistent across and nice and spaced out. We still have things like the Ken Burns effect as you see this image growing towards you. It's cool. For the most part, the theme is mostly the same. I revamped some images, got some new images in here in some spots. But you'll see here that this button looks correct now, looks nice. We still have the features. We have this cool pivotal effect, shifting effect that I go over in the tutorial section of the theme, how to do that. Added a couple new images here. Added a couple new sections. This is one of them that I think is really cool. And then this features a new one. I saw this from B3 Multimedia and I included it on here. And there's a video showing how to use this as well. So this is a cool new section feature added in. I also revamped this a little bit to use the module link feature for Divi. So this is now kind of another new feature. And then most of the rest of this page is going to be the same except for these, different images. Here's another shrink grow effect that I cover how to do. So yeah, pretty much that's probably my favorite image right there, that one. Powerful. Pretty much that's what mostly has changed here. Let me go through a couple other pages really quick. We have the split header page now, which kind of has like a color hover thing there that you can do, which is pretty cool. Again, we got this guy, this overlapping deal, new imagery. I'm trying to see. This is another new section that we added in. Looks like I have to fix that spacing, so I will do that. Just going to get a screenshot of that. These guys again. Yeah, new imagery. Love that right there. As you can see, we're still on the testing server here, so it's another new section that I worked in that you'll be able to copy, and especially using the new builder, right? It's super easy to copy sections from one page to the other. A couple things I wanted to show you here on the main home page here is we have new blog layouts. So there's a default blog layout that the current Josefin has, and I'll pull that up while we search for it here. All right, so blog, this is the current one. And you can even see, even in the blog layout here, I just kind of updated it a bit. And also this, yeah, that view all button, it was the font, it was kind of hard to make it centered and stuff like that, in which now that's taken care of. But you'll see here, if I click this one to read more of this guy, it goes to like a standard blog layout, yay, with the sidebar. And this, you can still do it this way if you want. But now our site, our blog post, there's a custom blog post that comes with Josefin, so it'll automatically pull your featured images as a background, automatically put the title, the date, and the author for you with an avatar if you have one. And so that's our developer avatar there for this development site. And so it's kind of using the dynamic content feature in Divi a little more. Also doing that with projects. So I think down here we have some projects here. This is in the old one. So the old one is kind of just the default project kind of view, to where the new one, look at that same project. So now it's automatically going to pull the project featured image as the background, pull the title, pull the image again, title again, category. So all that's going to be pulled automatically for you, and then you can use it. Sidebars are old school, right? I mean, it looks cleaner without it, but if you want to do the sidebar approach and still have this, you can totally do that. So those are the biggest updates. You'll see here, if we go to the base styles page, I added some features here. Again, man, I love that image. That's great. So yeah, hopefully this update serves you well. There's another one of those cool shifting photos, super cool. So again, it's John with Superfly, the update for Josefin. Hope you enjoy it. For folks who use the old version of Josefin on the site, we're not recommending that you update that version because this is kind of built from the ground up. So if you update a current site that has Josefin on it, it's going to take quite a bit of work to get it. So it'd probably be better just to use this to start new builds with. Also, we're not hard coding the Josefin theme or font anymore. Now that's in Divi. When we made the first Josefin, that font was not in Divi yet, but now it is. So now you can easily change the font. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope you love it. And yeah, with that, stay fly.